So I am just taking a stroll through the vineyards of the Quinta that I'm staying at. I'm just surrounded, literally surrounded by vineyards. Vineyards? The vines. And they're all growing. Look up there on the hill. It's so beautiful. So I have my first sighting of the Douro River down there. I'm driving up along the top to go down, if that makes sense. So I am at the station of Regua in the Douro Valley, and I'm just waiting for the train that will take me to Tours, and the journey runs all along the north bank of the Douro Valley, and it is said to be one of the most beautiful train rides in all of Europe. So I am very much looking forward to it. Arrived in Tours, and this is how you cross the track to get out. Interesting, huh?
Só domínio natural.
And it seems that at Tours there really isn't very much. There is a restaurant that the whole train has just gone to. So I have come to the river, and then I will go to the restaurant in a little while when things have calmed down a little bit. It's cloudy in the Douro today. It's a nice cool, I don't know, 23 at the moment. It's meant to be 26 later, but it's beautiful as it is. So there is a walk. I don't know how far the walk goes. It goes in both directions. So I imagine you can pretty much walk along the Douro. And this is also the direction of another restaurant. Whether it's open or not is another matter. It says it's open. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a, oh, it's hanging. Oh no, I thought something was hanging right in front of me. Gonna go for a walk down here and see if I come across somewhere else to eat. And then I probably will be the only person there. So how beautiful is this? So while everyone else is, I I don't know, honestly, there was probably 100 people. Maybe not 100, maybe 50. They all gone to the restaurant. For me, this is perfect. There is a digger up there working on the terraces. Now, this is the concept of my food forest, the house. So I'm walking along here and first I encounter, I can't remember the name of these guys, not persimmons, I'm not sure. And then we have the grapes, and then in amongst the grapes there are limes. So you can just pluck these off the trees. And I pass apples as well. So I am off for a little adventure walk around the vineyards where I am staying tonight, and I have elected to stay, oh now I'm confused, there's a pathway that goes to the right and a pathway that carries on straight. I think I need to go to the right, but you know, I don't know. I think all paths will lead back. I can know exactly where I'm going because there is this huge building over there which apparently is a sports complex. So although I'm like high up in the mountains, the drive up here was crazy, around like hairpin bends to get up here. Up here is just kind of hilly, and here in the fields they are picking all the grapes today. So as I'm walking around here in the middle of nowhere really, it comes to me about fear. And you know, at the moment I'm walking around, I don't know where I'm going, but if I don't open myself to this kind of a little bit of fear, I guess maybe I'll get lost. Although I know that I'll be okay and find my way. I still know that. But also excitement of what may be around the next corner in this path. And this is the same in life. You know, when we are in life and we're fearful to make a decision or a choice, but without opening ourselves to that fear, we will never experience the amazingness that will be if we step into that fear and out of our comfort zone, that is when the magic happens. Isn't this so beautiful? And this is the amazingness of taking the path that I took. It is so beautiful. Right on the top of the valley. I think I have to go, I have no idea where I am. I'm a bit lost. But it's okay, I'll find my way eventually. So these rows of vines are inspiring me to make this in my vineyard, because actually it's a bit of a mess of them growing all over the place. So that's another job on the list. So for me to get home without using the toll roads, I have to drive back up into the hills of the Douro, and you can see I've come on this windy road, or around here, and yeah, just winding coming up. But isn't it beautiful up here? So if you take the toll road, don't get to see all of this.